step into the captivating world of Mayan cacao ceremonies, a profound and time-honored tradition that transcends mere chocolate indulgence. Imagine yourself in the heart of the lush Mayan jungle, surrounded by the enchanting aroma of cacao beans roasting over an open fire. Guided by a skilled Mayan shaman, cacao beans are ground into a paste and transformed into a bittersweet elixir expertly infused with chili, spices, and honey. As you savor this potent brew, the ceremony unfolds with chants, songs, and guided meditations, forging a deep connection with nature and a profound sense of unity. Ancient Mayan symbols and rituals enhance the spiritual journey, promoting healing, inner peace, and overall well-being. It all culminates in a moment of gratitude where participants express their thanks for the earth and the Mayan culture, leaving with a profound sense of rejuvenation. Much like contemporary practices of mindfulness and meditation, Mayan cacao ceremonies offer a gateway to a world where history, spirituality, and holistic well-being converge, promising an unforgettable voyage into the heart of Mayan culture. If you're traveling to Merida and are seeking peace in your life, you won't want to miss this experience.